Hello guys, this video is going to take away the stress of meat pie ingredients measurement and your wahala, whether you have a weighing scale or not. For 10 pieces of meat pie, you need 500 grams of flour or 4 cups of flour to plus 2.5 tablespoons, butter 250 grams, water or milk 200 ml, beef 1,500 naira. Normally I use a beef of 1,000 naira, goes a long way, but to be on the safe side, between 1,000 to 1,500 naira. Please go to where you buy your beef cheap, at least butcher, so that you can really maximize your beef. For 20 pieces of Nigerian meat pie, you need 1 kg of flour, 8 cups of flour plus 5 tablespoons, butter 500 grams, water or milk 400 ml, beef 3,000 naira. Now for your milk, I just give you an idea. You can add your milk or your water in bits. This is just a rough idea. Some people use cold water, some people use milk, some people use egg and water mixed together. Whichever one you want to use, it is fine, but this is just to give you an idea. I advise you add your liquid or your milk in bits until you can get your dough together. Now for your flour and your butter, there is a rule. It is 1:2. If your butter is 1, your flour will be 2, meaning your flour is twice as much as your butter. So now for 40 pieces of meat pie, you need 2 kg of flour, 1 kg of butter, water or milk 800 ml. For your beef, 6,000 naira. Beef is a bit expensive in Nigeria. I advise you go to a butcher and get your beef cheap, or if you are combining yours with potato or cabbage, there is a video now I'm going to put in the description box where I show 3 ways on how you can make your meat pie filling using your potato, using your cabbage, or using your beef alone. Whichever one, you can watch that video. You still have a delicious meat pie filling at the end of the day and make reasonable profit from your Nigerian meat pie. Now if you are making 50 pieces of your meat pie, you need 2.5 kg of flour, butter 1.25 grams of your kg of your butter, water or milk 1 liter or 1,000 ml, beef 7,500 naira. Now I'm going to stop at 50 pieces because if you want to make 100 pieces, you just double this amount. 80 pieces, you double the one of the ingredients for 40 pieces, and you just continue like that. So that is for that. Tell me what you think about this video. Do like and share, do comments, and do subscribe to this channel. Do thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos like this, and do well to check the link of the video in the description box. That has to do with various ways you can make a delicious meat pie filling to maximize your money, make profits, and maximize your beef. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. See you next time. Bye bye.